Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Justine. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm actually at a community called Alexander Estates. And in this community there are two different builders. And today we're actually going to be touring a few homes specifically by one of the builders called Songbird Homes. And if you remember in one of my other videos, I did shoot one of their homes that was in Kingberg Terrace, which was a gated community, which was a little bit higher price point. But today I am in Alexander Estates. And in Alexander Estates, we have one builder, which is behind me, which is DR Horton. And then, of course, the other builder in which we're going to be taking a look at their home today, like I already mentioned, is Songbird Homes. And so we are going to be looking three of their floor plans. I'm going to take you through really quick, just highlighting the specific maybe areas that you might want to see. But what is important that I wanted you to know is that this home is a community that is more affordable, meaning that it is in the mid 400s to around 525,000 specifically by Songbird Homes, and you get a lot of great features for that price. That puts us actually the median market price in what this area is considered as Minnehaha is around $510,000, which is around $254 a square foot, but it is very affordable for a brand new construction home. So today I'm going to take you in, I'm going to show you just a few of the features by Songbird Homes, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you for joining me. Certainly be sure to put in the comments any things that you happen to like about this community, or if you want information regarding this community in general. But otherwise, thank you and enjoy. is one of the beautiful representatives with Songbird Homes. And like I said before, they are a phenomenal builder. In fact, from father to now sons, this builder has been building for quite some time. And what makes them very special, I'm gonna have her tell you.
Well, first of all, there are so many amenities in the homes that are typically an upgrade with other builders. So things like quartz countertops, a covered back patio, tile in your shower, a finished garage. There are so many things that, refrigerators, blinds, they're all going to be supplied with those things in Alexander Estates, and so those are all typically upgrades, and they're included in the price. And so we're in the Silver Falls floor plan, and it's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's listed currently at $480, and they are offering lender and builder incentives right now.
Alright, that's your guys' cue. You need to come out and take a look at Songbird Homes. Phenomenal builder, you won't be disappointed. Okay, so we're going to be heading down to take a look at another home. I hope that you enjoyed the ranch home that we were just inside, along with the fun, loving builder representative that was in there, and some of the other ladies that I get to enjoy doing real estate with each and every day. But a little bit about Alexander Estates, and specifically with Songbird Homes, and whom we are looking at today. Songbird Homes has a total of 18 homes in this specific community, in which a lot of them are actually already sold. We have about 8, I think, remaining. So, but guess what? They have 3 other communities that they're building homes in. So even though maybe if you're looking in a few months or possibly next year, there'll be other communities for you. So we're going to go inside this little home right here behind me. Sorry, I should maybe get on this side. Right here behind me. So that you can see some of the features regarding this property. Okay, we're in yet another beautiful home by Songbird Homes, and today Pete is going to give us a little information regarding this gem and what you can find if you're going to be purchasing here in Alexander Estates. Pete, take it away.
Wow. I'm so bad on the camera, but hi everybody. So this is Alexander Estates. It's a small little 18-lot community, and we've got homes ranging from about $14.92 in a single level up to about $21.45. 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, single level, 2-story, kind of whatever you're looking for. So if you look around, everything she's filming is included in our houses, including the refrigerators and the blinds. We would love to have you come and see what else we offer. We've got 4 communities currently going in the Vancouver area. Anywhere from the low 500s all the way up to the 750, 800s.
So they have something for everyone. And so whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, Songbird Homes has a place for you. So be sure to check them out. I'll put links regarding the subdivision in the description. And until we see you at the next one, thank you for tuning in. last home. And yes, it's almost 5 o'clock. It's starting to get dark here in the Pacific Northwest, which I absolutely do not like. Anyway, I missed this one. We obviously looked at this one, but I totally overlooked this one. So we're going to go inside and take a look at this one. And I stand corrected, because if you were listening earlier, I said that there were 8 remaining properties in this community, but as per the last actual sales rep of Songbird Homes, he indicated that there's 12 homes still available. So that's why you always have to keep up to date. Things are always changing every day, and they're adding more homes into their subdivisions that were completed and ready to go. And so anyway, let's take a look at this home. We toured 5 of the 18 different home sites that were in the Alexander Estates community, built specifically by Songbird Homes. Now, the price points in this community range from around $490,000 to $545,000, with their square footage ranging from 1,492 square feet through up to around 2,050 square feet. Now, there are a few homes left, and if you happen to have any other questions, be sure to reach out by text or call me or email me. I'm here to help, and until next time, have a great home buying and selling day.